Welcome. If you manage a Facebook page and want to stay updated on specific group posts, today's guide shows you exactly how to enable notifications for an individual group post using the latest Facebook update right from your PC. This makes it super easy to never miss important conversations, updates, or questions happening in your community. Let's dive right in and get started with the most straightforward steps. First, you'll want to open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in using the account that manages your page. This gives you access to everything your page can do, including posts from groups you're a part of. Now, head over to the group where the post is located. You might already know the group or get there via your notifications if someone tagged your page or interacted recently. Once you're in the group, scroll through the feed to find the exact post you want to keep tabs on. This could be an announcement, a question needing your page's attention, or anything that's crucial for your community or business. When you've found that post, focus on the top right corner. You'll see 3 small dots. This is Facebook's menu for additional actions on the post. Click the 3 dots to see more options. Among the selections that pop up, look for Turn on Notifications for this post and click it. That's it. You've now activated notifications just for that single post. From now on, any new comments or updates on this post will show up directly in your notifications, so you're always in the loop and can jump in with timely responses, valuable insights, or simply keep tabs on engagement within your groups. This feature is especially helpful for busy page admins and social media managers who can't monitor every group conversation but still want to track the discussions that matter most. So, try enabling notifications today and streamline your social media management. Thanks for watching.